Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a feedback power supply. The power up to 700 watt. The output voltage is regulated through changing the xenodiode. Here is the result. I will show you how to make such a power supply after the sponsor's advertisement. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. One fact about them, JLC PCB is the largest PCB prototype and supplier in China. With over 20,000 online orders per day, the production capacity is over 620,000 square meter, 1 layer or 2 layers PCB. Upload Gerber file to get high quality PCB at low price. And here are the results after 1 week. Box and PCB from JLC PCB. Very professional and beautiful PCB. This is a half-bridge topology. We will use 2 capacitors with standard voltage of about 200 volt. The circuit will use power transistors to run. The main oscillator IC will be TL494, combined with a gate drive transformer removed from the old computer source to control the power transistor. The output, we will use 4 filter capacitors with a voltage of 100 V 1000 UF. The main transformer will be ferrite E42 for 1000 watts max. This is the ferrite transformer, E42, 18 bobbin pins and no air gap inside. Detailed dimensions are shown on the video. Some pins on the bobbin will have to be cut off to fit the PCB. Here is the transformer after completed. Details of the coil you can check in the download file. Here is the main output power supply with center tap. Here is the power supply for the control circuit. Here is the preamplifier power supply. Here is the input power supply. These are old computer power supplies. For now, I will take the components out of it. For example, heatsink. Oscilloscope TL494 or KA7500. Gate driving transformer. Capacitors. This is the gate driver transformer. TL494 and KA7500, they are different in name, but the function is exactly the same. Interchangeable. You can use high voltage input capacitors from an old computer power supply, but it is best to use a capacitor of 680 for higher. Output, we will use 4 capacitors, 100 volt, capacity 1000 UF. All electronic components you can buy at outsource.net. Outsource is a leading reputable website, specializing in providing genuine electronic components. You can buy everything here. Electronic components, passive components, sensors, circuit protection, LEDs, electromechanical, accessories and tools. Genuine products from famous brands like Toshiba, Texas, Sanyo, NEC, Philips, Sanken. Please visit the link below the description of this video to choose the best component for you. Now, we will assemble all the components onto the printed circuit board. The inductor is used from an old computer power supply and wraps about 1 to 2 turns of wire. Transistor used is J13009. Diode used is MBR2020 with max 20 amp and 200 volt. Today, I showed you how to make a power supply with feedback. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.